medyo mainit pa rin sa Doha pero hindi nakagaya. But today it's 46 degrees Celsius. See, ganda ng araw. Liwanag, di ba? Holiday Villa Inn. Ito lang ako nakakapag-video sa daan kasi madami sasakyan, nakakatakot, baka mga aksidente. Yesterday I'm about to have an accident, but it's not my fault. Alhamdulillah, hindi pa rin nangyayari. Thanks Allah. Muntik na kasi ako, I'm going to the left, but the other lady besides me is going to U-turn. So he's about to block my way, and the signal is already